that's different.
Here, I'll let you see the subs too.
Wow. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Doing all right?
Yes, great. Can I get your name real quick and what's in here, man?
Snacks, I got two SA 305 15 dBs on a 78 Apocalypse. I got two Limitless Lithium 15 amp hour and a 25 amp hour, and a MechMan 270 alternator.
Did you build the box?
Actually, I got it from somebody else in a trade.
Okay. What was it tuned to?
50 hertz.
50 hertz. Wow. Okay. Do you like it tuned higher?
Actually, I do not.
You know?
Get ready to do a different box for it.
Yes, sir.
Try to get me something here.
Did you ever meter it?
I metered it. She'll do about a 150.3.
Okay.
As she
Nice.
sits.
Yes. All right.
Just let me know when you're ready.
Is it a fourth order?
No. It's actually a box meant for a Dodge Charger.
Wow. Okay. That's different. All right. Have to go look at that after. Gotta see the box. That's pretty impressive.
Right, let's see the box.
Thank you for the demo, man.
No problem, man.
Wow, that's different.
Here, I'll let you see the subs too.
Wow. Very different if the subs are in the front. Oh,
So
yeah.
usually that box faces the other direction.
Oh, okay. Got it. Wow, I like this. This is different. What did you say the box was tuned to?
50 hertz.
50 hertz, okay.
Yeah. It's gonna get changed after the show.
Yep.
Going with a different one, subs front, port back.
Yeah. Awesome. Appreciate the demo.
Not a problem, dude.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
Appreciate it, man. I'm ready. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.